You guys, you legends, let's unbox with me. The Marks & Spencer order is not what you think it is, but it's gonna keep you warm, especially in this cold UK spring weather. Let's go for it. This is the tape, going on the tape, and all the sound. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how fluffy is that. Oh my god, I'm loving this. This is my new fluffy bedding. It's the cozy edit, and this is a double one. It was roughly £20. I think I had a discount or something. It's duvet, cover, and 2 pillowcases. It's all over my body, so it definitely needs a wash. I hope the quality is gonna be good, because if not, I'm gonna return it and get my money back. As you can see, they cut down on the plastic when it comes to the packaging of the bedding. I don't know, let me guys, do you like the fact that Marks & Spencer removed the plastic packaging of here? So is it hygienic at all when so many people are touching it? So obviously, back in the day where you had your bedding packed in the plastic bag, you could just maybe put it on. But these days, when I get bedding like this, I need to take it to laundry. So I don't know what's your opinion. I hope there are loads of people watching this video who particularly like hygiene. I'm a big fan of hygiene because I'm totally legendary, as you know. So there's gonna be a video of it. Well, I'm joking, and at the same time I'm not joking. So well, let's see. So it's called Teddy Fleece bed set. You guys, at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you a secret. No, wait, oh my gosh, it's so warm. I'm literally I want to change it now. But as I said, it needs to go through a laundry cycle. So there's way. And actually, my hay fever has been terrible lately. I live in central Manchester, but my hay fever has been terrific. So I've been taking my pills, but this fluffiness, we need to make sure it calms down during the wash cycle, and hopefully it will get better. Guys, you legends, as you know, I'm trying to be in collaboration with Marks & Spencer. This is my click and collect. There is so much stuff in here. Well. So, basically, there is so much stuff in here. But you guys can see there's so much plastic. They put it into 3 bags or so. As you guys know, I've been getting quite popular on TikTok lately. And TikTok has rewarded me for my dedication to the platform, and they've recently gifted me a live access, which I'm very grateful for. I've been dreaming about going live on TikTok for about a year. Now we got that, and we're gonna be hosting lives on TikTok, so make sure you follow me on there. It's our main platform, but we are diversifying our content to give you more depth and insight on what we are doing on YouTube as well. So make sure you follow us. TikTok and YouTube are our key platforms. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next one. Bye, legends. Bye bye. Oh, actually, this is one of my cute ones made in Canada, and you can have it personalized. At the moment it's on our Etsy, but there will be some changes around our website, and George is saying bye bye, so bye bye.